Here's some Hindu-Muslim unity trivia. Subscribe. Which Indian festival symbolizes unity between communities? Is it A. Navratri, B. Lohri, C. Eid al-Fitr, or D. Christmas? The correct answer is C. Eid al-Fitr. Which Indian city is known for its communal harmony? Is it A. Chennai, B. Jaipur, C. Varanasi, or D. Hyderabad? The correct answer is C. Varanasi. What is the famous Hindu-Muslim shrine in Ajmer? Is it A. Golden Temple, B. Ajmer Sharif, C. Taj Mahal, or D. Qutub Minar? The correct answer is B. Ajmer Sharif. What movement did Vinoba Bhave start to promote unity? Is it A. Buddha movement, B. Land reform movement, C. Non-cooperation movement, or D. Green Revolution? The correct answer is A. Buddha movement. What is the significance of the Babri Masjid in Hindu-Muslim history? Is it A. Historic mosque, B. Birthplace of Gandhi, C. Religious pilgrimage, or D. Site of conflict? The correct answer is D. Site of conflict. Which historical monarch is known for promoting religious tolerance? Is it A. Akbar, B. Henry VIII, C. Louis XIV, Ivan IV? The correct answer is A. Akbar. Which scripture emphasizes respect for all religions? Is it A. Bible, B. C. Quran, or D. Torah? The correct answer is B. Gita. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.